In this video, I show you how to create a timeline so you lose weight even faster. Coming up. Hey, what's up? It's Neil, your weight loss pal, the ultimate source to lose weight fast, free, with step-by-step online training. And on this channel, we mostly do weight loss tutorials with equipment reviews, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. At any point during the video, check out the YouTube description below. I list out all relevant information. So let's jump into the video. Welcome to part 2 of our step-by-step guide on how to lose weight fast. So we're going to talk about creating a timeline. If you're thinking to yourself, what are you talking about? Creating a timeline? What does this have to do with weight loss at all? Well, tell me if this sounds familiar. You're at work and you end up not finishing your assignment until the very last minute. Or you're at school and you end up pulling an all-nighter at the last minute for your big exam. In life, we always tend to procrastinate and push things to the last second until we have to do it. Well, that same principle applies to weight loss. We can use that information about ourselves as human beings and turn it around so that we can lose weight even faster. So what we're going to do is take our goals from step 1 and attach a timeline to it. Because when we attach a timeline to our goals, we achieve them faster. And that's the ultimate goal, right? To lose weight fast. I have tried to lose weight so many times, and I wasn't successful until I became goal-oriented and set deadlines for myself. That's how I lost 68 pounds in 6 months. So you might be thinking to yourself, okay, I understand the importance of creating a timeline and how it'll help us achieve weight loss faster, but how should I go about doing that? Well, don't worry, that's why you're here. So number 1, it's important to have proper expectations for ourselves. You can only lose so much weight in a finite amount of time. I wish I could tell all of you guys that you'll lose 70 pounds in a month, but obviously that's never going to happen. We have to keep our expectations realistic. If we have unrealistic expectations of ourselves, we're going to get overwhelmed and frustrated and end up not doing anything at all. So, in general, I would say it's absolutely achievable to lose 10 pounds a month. When I lost my weight, I was losing 10 to 15 pounds in the first few months. And then afterwards, my rate of weight loss was a little bit slower, and that's definitely normal. So in general, 10 pounds of weight loss a month, absolutely achievable. It's important to remember that if you don't have much weight to lose in the beginning, that your rate of weight loss is going to be slower than that of someone who has a lot of weight that they can lose. Another good thing to keep in mind is to set your timeline in the 6 to 12 month range. Anything less than 3 months, and you're probably not going to be happy with your weight loss transformation. The reason is we have to allow time for the body to build up enough stamina and endurance to be able to work out without getting sore. We have to remember when we first start working out, our body is getting used to the idea of exercise and fitness. And during that phase, it's undergoing a lot of changes. It's increasing in muscle density and the metabolism of the muscle cells are changing. So you're not going to lose as much weight during that time. But after your body has developed endurance and stamina, the weight's just going to drop off so fast. So guys, just like in step 1, I have a free worksheet for you guys. Go to yourweightlosspal.com, get the worksheet and fill it out. And you'll also notice on that worksheet, it tells you to put a date down that you have 6 to 12 months in mind that's personally significant to you. Just like we set a goal that was personally significant, we want to have a deadline or a date, a finish line that's meaningful to you. So I know some people that have set weddings, engagements, family reunions, high school reunions, whatever has some meaning to you, that's another little extra nudge that's gonna keep us on our goal fast. The impetus behind setting this timeline is to kick us into gear and keep us focused. It's not to keep us ashamed of ourselves. So remember, all we're doing is trying to keep us on target and on goal. We're not trying to be self-deprecating here. That's it, guys. Step 2, done. If there are just a couple takeaways from this video, remember, creating a timeline, you're gonna lose weight faster. Number 2, remember that 10 pounds a month is definitely achievable. And number 3, it's best to have a goal 6 to 12 months from now. That's it. Question of the day. I would love to know what dates you guys set for your timeline. Let me know in the comments section below. So thanks for liking this video and subscribing. If you want to see more articles and videos just like this, go to yourweightlosspal.com. There you will see free downloads and in-depth reviews as well. Until next time, this is your weight loss pal, Neil. Remember, you're just one step closer to a happier, healthier life.